Hello and welcome to IMW Club. Today, we'll be discussing interesting concept, zero-based budgeting, from book, The Total Money Makeover, by Dave Ramsey. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you feel like your money just disappears without any real progress towards your financial goals? Well, you're not alone. Many people struggle to manage their finances and make ends meet. That's where Dave Ramsey's zero-based budgeting technique is helpful. What is zero-based budgeting? Zero-based budgeting is a budgeting technique where you start with $0 at the beginning of the month and allocate every dollar to a specific expense or savings goal. This means that you account for every dollar you make, so that you have complete control over your money. How zero-based budgeting works? To start, you need to create a list of all your monthly expenses, including bills, groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Then, allocate a specific amount for each expense and make sure it adds up to your income for that month. Any leftover money should be assigned to savings, paying off debt, or other financial goals. How we can use zero-based budgeting for creating wealth? Zero-based budgeting can be a powerful tool for creating wealth because it allows you to be intentional with your money and prioritize your financial goals. By tracking every dollar you spend, you can identify areas where you are overspending and make adjustments to redirect those funds towards your savings or investment goals. For example, if you allocate a certain amount of money for eating out each month and find that you consistently have money left over, you can use that money towards paying off debt or saving for a down payment on a home. Let's summarize. Zero-based budgeting is a simple but effective way to take control of your finances and create wealth. By allocating every dollar to a specific expense or savings goal, you can be intentional with your money and make progress towards your financial goals. Every dollar counts. So, start today and take control of your financial future. Don't forget to like and subscribe to IMW Club for more personal finance and wealth building tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.